Airport. Captain Dennis Kelleher is in command of our flight this evening. He's already introduced himself to you. He's assisted at the flight deck by First Officer Brian Mullen. The captain has informed me that the flight time once we get going will be approximately 1 hour back to Cork. So preparation for takeoff now, we'd ask you to check that your seatbelts are securely fastened to the tabletops in front of you clipped up and your seat backs brought to the fully upright position with the armrest down. Smoking on board this aircraft is illegal and the use of electronic cigarettes is prohibited on board. The toilets are fitted with highly sensitive smoke alarms which will activate if you smoke there. It's no offence to tamper with these smoke alarms or any other items of safety equipment on board the aircraft, including life jackets or seatbelts. It is also a requirement to comply with the instructions of the cabin crew, and failure to do so will result in prosecution. Please ensure now that all personal electronic equipment, including mobile phones and tablet devices, have been switched to flight safe or the equivalent airplane mode. Flight safe mode may be utilised throughout the flight. Laptops and larger portable electronic devices must not be used during taxi, takeoff or landing and must be stowed securely. If your device does not have a flight safe or airplane mode, then it must be switched off now and remain off for the duration of the flight. If you notice damage, smoke or overheating of your mobile device, or if your phone falls into the seat structure, please notify a member of the crew immediately. If you're wearing headphones, we'd ask you to please remove them now and for the duration of our safety demonstration. We're delighted to see you on board, ladies and gentlemen. We wish you a very pleasant and a comfortable flight with us back to Cork Airport this evening. And as safety is the number one priority on board all Aer Lingus flights, we'd ask now for your full attention to the front of the cabin for the next few minutes, where the cabin crew will demonstrate to you the safety features on board this aircraft. This evening we're travelling on an Airbus A320. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the flat metal end into the buckle. To secure it around your waist, pull firmly on the loose end of the strap, and to open your seatbelt, lift the buckle cover, which should be facing away from you. There are 8 emergency exits on board this aircraft, all of which are clearly marked by red exit signs, and floor-level pathway lighting will guide you to the exits in poor visibility. There were 2 doors at the front of the cabin, one on the left and one on the right, 2 at the back of the cabin, left and right, and in the centre of the cabin at rows 12 and 13 there are 4 overwing exits, 2 on the left-hand side and 2 on the right-hand side. All exits must be kept completely clear during takeoff and landing. Please take time now to locate the nearest emergency exit to you, bearing in mind that the nearest exit could be behind you. Should you need to use one of these exits in an emergency, leave your cabin baggage behind and make your way to the nearest usable exit. You will find a life jacket in a package under every seat. If instructed by the crew to use this, you should take it out of its package and put the jacket on over your head. The long strap should be wrapped around your waist to the front, clipped and pulled very tightly. Each jacket has a light and a whistle to attract attention. You inflate the jacket by pulling down sharply on the red tag hanging below the jacket in front. It may also be inflated by blowing through the red rubber tube. Jackets must only be inflated once outside the aircraft. You will find a safety information card located in the seat pocket in front of you. This card contains important safety information. Please study it carefully before departure. If the cabin pressure fails, an oxygen mask will be lowered automatically in front of your face. Should this happen, if you're wearing a face mask or face shield, remove it, stay in your seat, pull the oxygen mask down fully to start the flow of oxygen. Cover your mouth and nose with the oxygen mask, secure it with the elastic strap, and continue to breathe normally. You must put on your own oxygen mask first before you attend to children or to other passengers around you. We'll be dimming the cabin lights prior to departure from Heathrow this evening, and once again before we land into Cork Airport. This is part of our normal safety procedures on board. Once again, we'd like to thank you for your very special attention during this evening's safety announcements, and we wish you a very pleasant and a comfortable flight back to Cork with us. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we're just dimming the cabin lights now. This is normal safety procedure on board. Cabin crew chair station, please for cabin security check.